What is that? That's Super Banana. Let's turn it on, honey. No? Boop. Oh, he's getting a little bit sleepy. He's had a nice time here in the doctor's office. We've done a few different things and played and twirled and jumped and spun around. Hey, say hi to Mom and Dad. Hi, Mom and Dad. Liam, look up. Look. Look at this. Hi. Bye, Mommy, Daddy. We'll let you know how the doctor's appointment went.